Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a tenant rejection letter. What is a tenant rejection letter? In simplest terms, a tenant rejection letter is a formal document that is sent by a landlord or property manager that states to the applicant that their rental application for tenancy has been denied. Also called an adverse action notice, these notices could be given out for various reasons. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a tenant rejection letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date today. After that, write the information about the recipient. You should write the full name. And write the home address. When you write the address, it is highly recommended to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, thank the recipient for applying at the tenancy of your property. And mention the name of your property or organization. In this example is Hawkins Apartments. The second sentence, write that you regret to notify the recipient that his or her application is denied. You should state it very clearly here that the application is rejected so the recipient understand immediately. In the second paragraph, write the reasons why you rejected the recipient's application to be the tenant. If you have more than one reason, mention them all. In this example, the reason behind the rejection is because of invalid data sent by the recipient. And the writer gives supporting data based on third party, which is credit agency. And if you mention third party, mention the address too. Explain more details about the reason. Tell the recipient why the data is invalid. Here, you can state how the given information by the recipient cannot be verified by the given sources. And if there are more reasons, mention them one by one. You can say the previous landlords give bad recommendations about the recipient. Or the recipient's insufficient income may hinder the recipient's stay at your property. Or maybe your properties that are limited vacancies at the moment. You should mention them all so the recipient really understands the situation. In the third paragraph, you can write how the third party you use as a source doesn't influence your decision. And give the recipient a freedom and right for the written documents regarding this report. Usually, the data is valid within 60 days. And you can tell the recipient that this report will help the recipient to confirm the accuracy of the information given by the third-party like credit agencies. Finally, you can close the letter with regards and add your signature under it. After that, write your full name. Write also your title or occupation in the company, and write the name of the company or organization. So, that's how you write a tenant rejection letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.